how are y'all? I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a bird feeder out of empty toilet paper. I can't even talk today. Toilet paper rolls. And also it is water, peanut butter, oatmeal, and birdseed. And I've already mixed it all together. I don't know if you can see that. It makes this really sticky paste. So what you're basically going to do is just smooth the peanut butter onto it like this. And it can get really messy. So you're going to want to make sure you do it over a bowl or a plate. And the birds absolutely love this.
Daddy.
And then after you're done pasting, you're done putting the birdseed and stuff all over it. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a branch, or you can get like natural color rope, like brown, cream, green, something like that. And you can put it through on the ends right here to go all the way through so it hangs. Or what you can do is you can find a twig. And I keep looking in the wrong spot. And you can put it on the twig. The birds absolutely love it. And see how much I have on here? I have it completely chunky filled. So they're going to be in heaven with this. They're going to be in heaven. They love it. They love it. They say, "Hey, let's go to her house and eat some food, because she knows what she's doing. She makes a very good mixture." Yes, she does. See how chunky this is, guys? It is all over it. They're going to be eating on this for a few days, because it is chunky. It is chunky monkey. Alright, let's get that all in. Gabby, baby, move. You're going to get it in your hair. So I'm making sure that I'm getting it all on there, nice and smooth. See, look. I'm moving it around. It's all over there, nice and smooth. So guys, like I said, this is a complete empty toilet paper roll. It is water with peanut butter, bird seed, and oatmeal. And people say it's better if you use no salt added peanut butter or no sugar added ingredients, because it's not really good for the birds. So there you go, guys. And I'm going to show you hanging on the tree in just a little bit. Okay guys, here's one of them. I have it just on like a shepherd's hook. And here's another one. I have just a piece of natural brown twine. As you can see, it's covered really good. I have this bird seeder. I'll get it from a different angle. But see how chunky and nice it is? They absolutely love it. It's got a lot of bird seed and oatmeal and peanut butter on it.